Everyone thinks the best-selling car buffer polishers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, A.O. Ben Car Buffer Polisher. The A.O. Ben Car Buffer Polisher caught my eye with its impressive range of features for a budget-friendly price of just $49.99. With a powerful 700-watt motor offering 6 variable speeds from 1,000 to 4,500 RPM, it promises to meet a variety of polishing needs. If you want a reliable and efficient polisher for detailing your car, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual-action random orbital design minimizes swirl marks while maximizing surface coverage, which means you can achieve that perfect mirror-like finish without the risk of damaging your paint. The included 4 foam pods allow you to tackle various tasks from waxing to polishing, making it a versatile choice. Plus, with over 2,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that others are finding value in this product. Now, some people complained about the machine stopping when too much pressure is applied at lower speeds. Here's the thing though, that can actually be a safety feature. It prevents you from damaging your paint by forcing you to use the right pressure. So if you're a beginner or just want something that guides you in your polishing journey, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to maintain your car's appearance without compromising on quality. Skip this one if you're a professional detailer looking for something heavy-duty. At this price point, it offers excellent value for money. Now, if the A.O. Ben's lower maximum speed concerned you, the next product steps it up with even more power and versatility.
Product number 2, LDHTOPI Buffer Polisher. We have the LDHTOP Buffer Polisher, which is priced at $53.99. This one boasts a hefty 1,600-watt motor and 7 variable speeds, ranging from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, promising to tackle everything from light polishing to heavy-duty sanding. If you're looking for a more powerful option that can handle tougher tasks, this might be the one for you. What makes this polisher stand out is its versatility. It comes with a variety of pads designed for different applications, so whether you're dealing with deep scratches or just want to enhance the shine on your car, there's a pad for that. The D-handle and side handle options offer comfort and control, especially during extended use. Plus, over 1,000 units sold recently suggests that many users appreciate this polisher's capabilities. Now, some reviews mention that it can overheat if used continuously for too long, but here's the thing, it's actually recommended to take breaks, and this feature prevents damage to the motor. If you're mindful of the usage, it's a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful polisher that can handle a variety of surfaces, not just cars. Skip it if you're looking for something lightweight for quick touch-ups. Considering its features, it's a good value for the power you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want professional-grade results.
Product number 3, DeWalt Buffer Polisher. The DeWalt Buffer Polisher comes in at a premium price of $249, but it's packed with features that professionals love. With a powerful 12-amp motor and variable speeds up to 3,500 RPM, this polisher is designed for serious detailing work. If you're looking for a tool that can handle heavy-duty tasks like a champ, this is worth considering. This polisher includes a rubber over-molded gear case for comfort and a variable speed trigger, allowing for precise control when polishing. The no-volt release switch ensures it won't start unexpectedly, which is a great safety feature. With its all-ball bearing construction and durable design, you'll find that this tool is built to last. Plus, over 1,000 units sold show that it's a trusted choice among detailers. Now, some users have pointed out its higher weight compared to others on this list, making it a bit cumbersome for extended tasks. Here's my take. While it might feel heavy for some, that weight actually adds stability during use, especially on larger surfaces. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious DIYer who needs a reliable tool for frequent use. Skip this if you're just looking for light, occasional polishing. Yes, it's pricier, but you get what you pay for in terms of durability and performance. If you think the DeWalt's weight is a drawback, you might appreciate the next option, which is designed for ease of use.
Product number 4, Office Speed Buffer Polisher. The Office Speed Buffer Polisher is another contender, priced at $53.99. This model features a powerful 1,600-watt motor with 7 variable speeds, similar to the LDHTOPI. If you want a balance of power and user-friendliness, this one is worth a look. What's impressive here is its ergonomic design, making it easier to handle during detailed work. The detachable D-handle allows for customization based on your grip style, reducing fatigue during longer sessions.
The included pods cater to various needs, from removing oxidation to giving that perfect shine. With over 900 sold recently, it's clearly popular among home users. However, some users noted that it can be noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, while that can be annoying, it's common for powerful motors, and the performance makes up for it. If you're not overly sensitive to noise, you'll find it delivers excellent results. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still offers great performance for home detailing. Skip this if noise is a deal breaker for you. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for a complete kit that includes everything you need right out of the box, the final product might just be what you're after.
Product number 5, Chemical Guys Torx Kit. We have the Chemical Guys Torx Random Orbital Polisher Kit, priced at $189.19. This all-in-one kit includes not only the polisher, but also pads, polishes, and compounds needed for detailing. If you want everything in one package, this is worth your attention. This kit is designed for both beginners and experienced detailers, featuring an 8mm orbital throw for safe and effective polishing. The 700-watt motor provides ample power to tackle light scratches and swirls, while the included accessories cover all your needs for a complete detailing job. Given that over 900 of these kits have sold, it's clearly a popular choice among car enthusiasts. Some users found the learning curve a bit steep for complete beginners, but here's the thing, the kit is designed to help you learn, and with practice, you'll be achieving professional results in no time. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive starter kit that makes car detailing straightforward. Skip this if you're looking for a more advanced tool, as it's more geared toward beginners. For the price and included accessories, it offers solid value for anyone starting their detailing journey.
We covered the Oben for budget-friendly efficiency, the LDHTOP for powerful versatility, the DeWalt for professional-grade performance, the OfficeSpeed for ergonomic ease, and the Chemical Guys Torx for all-in-one convenience. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that fits your needs best for that perfect shine.